Today I'll be teaching you how to master a track like professional producer like DJ Khaled, London on the track, Metro Boomin. But today we're heading straight to Metro Boomin. So stay on this video because today I'll be teaching you everything that you want to know. You will learn it here, so make sure you got your notebook or I don't know what you got on your side right now, but make sure that you listen very carefully because you don't want to miss anything, so let's go, guys. Here's the project, so let's dive in.
I'm a lion in the city, lion in the city, pro in the night. I'm a lion in the city, lion in the city, lion in the city, pro in the night. I'm a lion in the city, lion in the city, lion in the city.
The track that I'm going to master today, guys, they call it Lion in the City. Simba. I don't know why they call it Lion in the City, So name that of artists that are there, bro, is Two Shade and Ace Miller and me also, So they call it Lion in the City. I don't know why. So let me not waste your time, guys. I know you'll be waiting. You wanna know how to master like Metro Boomin. Let's dive in, guys. Let's dive in. Okay, let me open up my FL right now, cause I don't wanna waste your time, guys. I don't wanna waste your time. So let me check it. Lion in the City. Lion in the City, lion in the city, lion in the city. I'm a lion in the city, lion in the city. What is it? Okay. I think I got it. Lion in the city, lion in the city, pro in the night. I'm a lion in the city. I use Wave plugins to master, but I mix because I don't like real tune. So people, they be asking like, what kind of plugin are you using if you wanna master a track like Metro Boomin? Then I told them like any plugin, but me, I prefer Wave plugins. Wave plugins are the best though. You can go and buy it, you won't regret. Auto-Tune Pro and Fruity Paramedic EQ. Then a Rode and CLA, and there's a lot of, if you can check here on the mixer, you can see everything is there. So for now, I'll play the hook. You will hear like, yeah, this is professional. Let me play.
City, pro in the night. I'm a lion in the city, lion in the city.
Listen very careful. Listen.
They tell you what I'm saying. I'm a lion in the city, lion in the city, pro in the night. I'm a lion in the city, lion in the city, lion in the city, pro.
So for delays, I use FL plugins. Then in Valhalla is the best. And I use plate 100% mix. Then you slow a little bit. You'll see like everything's simple. I can even send you a preset. Listen, let me just carry on.
They tell you what I'm saying. I'm a lion in the city, lion in the city, pro in the night. I'm a lion in the city, lion in the city, lion in the city, pro in the night. I'm a lion in the city.
listen without plugins.
They tell you what I'm saying.
I'm a lion in the city, lion in the city, pro in the night.
I'm a lion in the city.
With plugins.
They tell you what I'm saying.
I'm a lion in the city, lion in the city, pro in the night.
I'm a lion in the city, lion in the city.
Guys, if you want preset, you gotta buy and Wave plugins first, because normally professional producers are using Wave plugins. So if you are still using FL plugins, you will end up being that producer of Kasi. You know, Kasi is like, nah. So okay, I'm sure guys you saw the plugins and the ESA and the breathing and vocal rider and other compressor. So these is plugins that are important, and you will find it on Wave plugins. So there's nothing much, guys. If there was people who want this preset, they can hit me on my inbox, or if you want these plugins, you can DM me. I can sell it for you. I have them. I can sell it for you. Only 500. Only 500. So guys, if you found this video interesting and important for you to know which plugins you need to use, please hit a like. Don't forget to subscribe on my YouTube channel. See you on the next video.